Hello everyone, marhaba. In this video, we're going to talk about ways to say no in Egyptian Arabic. So let's follow. You can say these things. La. How to say no in Egypt. La. La. Say it again. La. La. لا no disagree مش موافق مش موافق مش موافق. Say it again. مش موافق. This is how to say no or disagree. مش موافق. لا مش موافق. مش هينفع. مش هينفع. sound. مش هينفع. مش هينفع. So you can say لا مش موافق مش هينفع. Okay, so these are the three common phrases. Slang, of course, we use slang in Arabic. We use slang every day in Egypt. We don't use formal Arabic. We do not use formal Arabic in Egypt, which is Fusha. So, for example, when you write in Google Translation, how are you? It says, Kaifa haluka. We do not say that. Kaif haluka. We don't say that in Arabic, in Egypt. We say, Inta amili. Okay, so unfortunately, you must learn Arabic, Egyptian Arabic with a teacher, because there is no way online resources for Egyptian Arabic online. So this course will be very beneficial. I will try to make videos from time to time and help you with how to pronounce and how to say. Okay, now it's your turn. How to say no in Arabic? La. Good. مش موافق. 3. مش هينفع. Okay, or you can say لا شكرا. شكرا, no thanks. لا شكرا, no thanks. Okay, no thanks. All right, have a good day. Bye bye. مع السلامة. Bye bye.